you've just tried SwimAR for the first time. What's your reaction?
I think it's a fantastic piece of kit. I think it's probably going to be the go-to device for swimmers both at the performance and leisure level.
It was amazing. It's really clear, so clear. Better than I expected.
It's really clear when the goggles are on in the water, so you can see the timing really clearly.
Yeah, it's great. Unique because I've never seen anything whilst I'm swimming before. But you can see what time, like your split pace, which is interesting.
I thought it was really cool. It did what it set out to do.
I really liked the clock timer.
It's clear as well. I thought it was going to be hard to see, but when you're looking at it, you can see the green shows through.
And it was really easy to see and really surprisingly really clear as well. And yeah, I really liked it.
Enhancements that are possible with this are amazing. I think it's fantastic.
Being able to keep track of your time is amazing.
Great.
Really good.